Imagine a world where email marketing isn't a drain on your time, a world where you're no longer chained to your desk, laboring over the perfect subject line or call to action. You may think this world is a far-off dream, a mere figment of your imagination. But the reality is, this world is here and now, thanks to TRK Ultra. TRK Ultra is not just an email marketing tool, it's a revolutionary system designed to streamline your marketing efforts. With 1,000 preloaded emails at your fingertips, you have a treasure trove of content ready to captivate your audience and drive results. But the magic of TRK Ultra doesn't stop there. This groundbreaking product stands out in its simplicity and efficiency. Each email is meticulously crafted, optimized for maximum impact. From evergreen content that stands the test of time to timely promotions that tap into the pulse of the market, TRK Ultra is your trusted partner in email marketing. But what about longevity? You're in for a pleasant surprise. With the innovative Loop Back feature, your email marketing efforts can continue indefinitely, cycling through your emails without missing a beat. This means more engagement, more conversions, and ultimately, more growth for your business. TRK Ultra shines in its versatility. Whether your goal is to promote a new product launch or drive traffic to affiliate offers, TRK Ultra is your ticket to success in the dynamic world of online marketing. But what if you need to tweak your promotions or seize a time-sensitive opportunity? Fear not. With TRK Ultra's Find and Replace function, you can effortlessly update your calls to action and adapt to the ever-changing market conditions. Imagine the possibilities. Promoting a new Warrior Plus launch? Climbing the ranks on a coveted leaderboard? With TRK Ultra, these dreams can become your reality. By strategically replacing your affiliate links, you can maximize your earning potential and capitalize on lucrative opportunities. But remember, TRK Ultra isn't just about promoting affiliate offers. It's about building enduring relationships with your audience and providing value that lasts a lifetime. With TRK Ultra, you have the ultimate follow-up solution, empowering you to nurture and engage your audience like never before. So, are you ready to bid farewell to the tedious task of email marketing and embrace a future of convenience and effectiveness? The power is in your hands. Harness the power of TRK Ultra today and take your email marketing efforts to unprecedented heights. The future of email marketing is here, and it's called TRK Ultra.